Namaskaram everyone, welcome to the Navotel Kochi Info Park. So today we are going to make some nice mocktails. So today I'm just going to make this thing, it's chili moker. It's a spicy and very refreshing mocktail. It's based on freshly mint and lemons with some lemon juice, and it's very refreshing and it's a very energetic mocktail. That's what I'm just going to make. I'll just show you how to make. Firstly, I'm just taking a glass. Here is some lemon chunks. So we will put at least 7-8 lemon chunks. Eight to 10 fresh mint leaves. And chopped green chilies to make it spicy. Then we will muddle it nicely to make the flavor comes out. I think it's nicely muddled. And we need to add some lemon juice. It's a freshly squeezed lemon juice. Just at least 30 or 45 ml. We need to stir it. Then we will add some crushed ice. So you need to half of fill with the crushed ice and mix it. Just mix it gently with all the ingredients. Then you need to top it up with the 7-Up. It's almost ready. We need to stir it nicely. As you can see, it's looking like so refreshing. We need to garnish with the slit whole chili. It's a seedless chili, so you can have a look. It's ready. So please join us at Navotel Kochi Info Park and enjoy these type of refreshing mocktails with us.